Morning. This is Cliffy from Trishula Software. We did not do a aftermarket stream yesterday. It's been an extremely busy week for me. We did end the day red a little bit yesterday by about a few percent. Right now we are looking at gold 440 calls, 427 at Jesus. What did I buy your ass at 149, sitting at 0.8. Google 342.5 calls at 151 at 0.95. QQQ 657 calls. Today's expiration 82 was sitting at 65 at close. Everything here, as you can see on QQQ, had a big pop after this big drop yesterday and started fighting all the way back. QQQ hit a pre-market high 662.14. Right now I'm gonna be looking right at that as to get out. Right now I will probably be ahead of the trade by a very slim margin. So, but like things can change easily in the next 2 minutes and 40 seconds. So, gold, let's look at gold real fast. Same thing happened to gold as it did happen to Google. Mostly everything yesterday. Everything looked like it was about to pop crazy. Hit price action hit yesterday's high, yesterday's aftermarket high, and went past the and couldn't even break past the pre-market high. Dropped. Now everything looks like it's falling back in line. We have a bull flag here. We have a bear flag here on the 15 bull flag. I'm sorry. And then Google looks like it could possibly punch up this day. It really needs to break through this 341.75 level, or at least touch it again, in order to have any type of chance today, in order for us to go green. We are ready to go. Right now it looks like our QQQ play is going to be up and up pretty nice. We're going to cut this at open in case it really starts rocketing. Let's look down at the 5, see it could traverse down probably into this pre-market low at 655, but we will probably be out by then. I gotta be super fast with how to close this trade. But yeah, that is a pretty nice bull flag right here. But I'm not seeing any break above unless we get a bunch of buyers right here within the next couple minutes all the way into open to push it to 662. Alright, let's go. If that number's right, this is going to be a crazy fucking play. Where are we? Less than 1 minute. Alright, well, today's Friday. Usually like your golden rules for Friday. Don't overtrade like I've been doing all week. Don't freaking if you're ever red for the week, don't trade on Fridays. I don't care how good you think you are. Just don't do it. And I want you for the rest of my life. And together forever and forever. And all. I want, for the love of God, just fucking open. Four, three, two, one. Sell. All right, yeah, like that's looking pretty big. 2.73. See if we can get out. Okay, that's good. Went. I got in on those QQQ calls yesterday at 82. Closed them for 302. The swing. Swanging. Yeah, gold and Google are shit in the bed for us. I'll stay in Google, but I'm dumping gold. Dumping gold, 440 call at 149. We're closing out at 53. See if I can get close at 52. Oh, you cunt. 0.51. Actually, they won't let me close that at 0.51. 0.49. Oh shit. 0.49. See if they'll give me 0.49 to close. Yep. The only thing active right now is Google, 342.5 calls. Right now we are sitting at about 8% up for the week at the moment. Together forever and forever and all. Swing. You swing. Swinging. Swinging. And together for. Oh my God, Google, you Klingon bastard! Why? I'm sitting here just trying to answer emails real fast because I'm really not playing all that much today unless I see some big shit and Google just goes, fuck life. Yeah, like, let's get out of that Google call. There's no point in letting us sit here and sit in it. Like, we'll just get out of 0.2, send that 0.24. Alright, our slate's clear. I'm only playing one dayers. I'm trying to get in and out for the day. Looks like everything's kind of dropping at the moment. I'll keep it on SPY right here. Looks like you could have a liquidity sweep here. Either that or we're going to have a complete change of character and everything's going to go bearish. I think bullish wise it needs to touch 706 because that's what it did, touch 706 and it dipped down into this Thursday Friday gap. The Thursday Friday gap has been cleared, so we can actually get rid of that son of a bitch. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep it as a point of interest. And together forever and forever and all. Let me do one quick thing. I just need to check option pricing on one quick thing. Not jumping into it, I'm checking. Shit, where is you? Let me do one quick thing. I just need to check option. Together forever. Alright. Spire Gold shares of shit. We're out. First half hour, I'm not entering a trade. If I enter a trade between now and 10 o'clock, I will shut down Trishula Software. Not just the YouTube. I'm shutting down the whole fucking business. Because this shit's been getting me in trouble all week. And it shouldn't be doing that. I should be just cranking out $1,000, $1,500 weeks like it was everyday work. But no, I want to be fucking cool. Oh, what's Microsoft doing? Got it. This is why I should always just swing Microsoft and swing for the fucking fence. Except for yesterday morning when it dropped. Together forever and forever and all. Shitloads of AMDs already coming in for sweeps. If I'm like literally off the bat, I'm seeing like 4 huge plays for AMD. Looks like it's totaling about 6 million in blocks and sweeps. But I'm also seeing that for Amazon and Intel, like I've been seeing it. Alright, I'm gonna start setting alerts here. AMD crosses 343.55. I'll look at calls. Where are we? Amazon. We're just going to start setting alerts. This looks like it wants to do one of those. I'm going to dip all the way down. So I'm going to throw in a multi-tiered alert so I know what shit's doing. Because if it touches down here, I know it went to go get buyers possibly. If it touches here, then touches up here, I know it's about to go bullish probably. Remember, too, you're breaking out of this pennant on the daily. So a lot of those Amazon swings right now I'm looking at 618, 618. Were there any more that came in? No, just 2 big Amazon ones for about 2.8 mil. Oh shit! Oh Christ! You're starting your shit already. Throw in one last alert at 260.62 on Amazon. More MU coming in. What's going on in MU? Oh god, this looks like one of them things. I've seen this before. This may be highly risky, and I know I said I'll shut down the company, but I just need to see option pricing. These options are probably going to be more juice than a bunch of white conservative daddy's boys hanging out at Fells Point in 2005. MU. Well, MU too, motherfucker. Fuck it, 5075 calls at 325. Let's see what fucking happens. Play this. Oh, Jesus Christ. 3.35. Oh, Jesus Christ. 2.9. Yeah, the fucking premium is just flopping all over the place. 3.15. Oh, Christ. I knew it would start doing that. See if it starts ascending back up. Alright, I'll take it right here. Alright, so right now we are in MU 5075 calls at 315. We are already 12% up. That's 315 at 353 right now, up 12%, down to 7. This is going to be highly volatile. This is going to be a quick fucking play. 3.4. Come on, together forever and forever and all. 3.7. See if I get out of 3.7 just for the scalp. Yes, good. Good. I was in that play less than 90 fucking seconds, people. And I still scrapped out. Now, granted, yeah, MU is violent and it explodes, and if this goes up to 504, it probably would have been a 200% trade. But I'm not fucking playing with it. I don't feel like playing with it. All right, so we got in that on those MU 50750s at 424 expiration at 315. We got out at 370, $55. We're now almost up 200 like for today on a Friday. Who's better? Who's better than Trishula Software? Who's better than Trishula Software? Is that Andrew Dice Clay? Yep, see, boom, cracked. You cocksucker. Oracle, who had been beaten up like a trailer park princess all week. And together forever and forever and all. Together forever with you. Oh, God, AMD, you baby fucking gorilla. 940, 942. That's the time I about got out of that trade. Should we do it? You know what? Fuck it. It's Friday. When you walk on thin ice, sometimes you just gotta dance. And together forever and forever and all. Together forever with you. And I want you for the rest of my life. I'm sorry I'm singing this song, everybody. Like I just got this bitch in my head all fucking morning. It's such a good song, though. Used to hate like songs like Rick Astley and shit, cause cause my mom was like a big girl, so you go into like Lane. You should be a single mom going into Lane Bryant and August Maxwell trying to find like nice clothes, and you have this shit playing, and you're fucking miserable because all you want to do is go to the fucking arcade. But you can't go to the arcade unless you're good in the fat woman's clothing store. But then it's like this song comes on and it's like it makes you kind of feel all giddy and happy, but then you're going to start being bad because you're starting to move around and shit. Thank God we got out of that MU trade. Christ. We would have been down 50%. It went all the way up here, then it went all the way back down. I'm telling you, on MU, that would have been a 50% drop in that option premium. That would have been enough for me to kick a kitten. Definitely not a fucking guinea pig. But a kitten? Yeah, as long as no one's looking. I want you for the rest of my life. I had 2 real good phone interviews this week. I'm feeling really confident about them, and I want them. I want the job. Both jobs I really want, even though I love this one. Trading's great, but developing software is great, but it ain't paying the bills. I need like to do software and trading that pays the bills. I don't know what Microsoft's doing here on the 5. I'm not looking to do anything real big until I see it crack 423.19. I'm not playing games, even though it dropped to this level, and there were buyers down here at this 412.27 level where we have a bullish order block. RSI's crossing, but one thing, double back tells the truth where an RSI lies, and an RSI lies when a double back tells. Hold on, wait. An RSI tells the truth when double back lies. The fuck is this cunt doing? 708 full port calls? Please don't. Please don't. The 1 minute tells a different story. Is you gonna pop? Is you gonna pop? Shit. Let me check AMD real fast. Oh shit! I didn't even realize it jumped 40 points. I'm sitting here like, huh? Nah, just everyday work. Wasn't even thinking. I wonder what Nvidia did. Nvidia has been kind of like off and on. It seems like it had this run where like it kind of like just went with everybody three weeks ago. But AMD's just like, fuck you, Nvidia. You had your fucking year. Now it's our turn. AMD makes good shit. Oh my god. Why do you do this? I don't like how price actions is kind of ranging and jumbled all the way up here when at all-time high. Like, this seems like fucking fishy to me. Yeah, AMD literally just cracked the piss out of their all-time high, but they got a gap bigger than half of the leg gaps of chicks in Hartford County. I think I'll play Microsoft's. All right, let's try Microsoft. I love AMD, but I'm just not trusting it. If I go into calls, it's going to fucking tank. I can tell you that right now. Even if I did go into puts, it would shoot up. I already know. MSFT. So I want to take you down to the 30, and I want to evaluate whether if you clear 422.19. By the time you clear 422.19, like hopefully this will curl up just even sharper. But I gotta be a little bit careful because I don't want you smacking up into. You know what? Fuck it. We'll go. This is going to be risky. This is going to be a super tight play. I'm doing Microsoft 425 calls at today's expiration at 0.78. Place. Oh yeah, it starts rocking it up even further, and it went up to 0.83, 0.84. Come on, baby, just give that to me. There we go. That's what Cliffy likes. All right, 425 calls. We're in at 0.84. 0 days. This may be an important point to look at here on AMD. Microsoft's up 7% already. I'm flipping back and forth between SPY, AMD, and Microsoft. I'm not in SPY or AMD, but I'm still watching them. 9% on Microsoft. Okay, starting to slam into this block here. This 1 minute and 30-minute block. Come on, Microsoft. Let's go, baby. Don't take no guff. Don't remember Monty's wife. Don't take no damn guff. What were all the AMDs sitting at? I gotta know. Probably why I can't hear anything. 1822 is 4161531 431, and that's 7.1 million in flow. Microsoft's sitting at about 4%. Back up to 9%. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, bubbas. Come on, bubbies. Come on, bubbies. Come on, bubbas. Come on, bubbas. It's... Oh. I'm going to see how AMD just interacts down here. Again, I'm flipping back and forth between AMD and Microsoft. We're closing in on the first 10-minute candle. Pop back through what would have been the MTF resistance on double back and pop through its slow line. I wish it was a little more oversold, then I would have saw a little bit more of a violent bullish reaction. Now we're down 14% on Microsoft. Oh, we always get in on shit like that. Oh, baby, why? Let me run this down to 15. And together forever. What are you doing, you little fucking slime ball? Together forever and ever, you know. Okay, Tesla may look like it has some. The bottom. I'll talk about that. I'll try to make a video about this weekend. But this bend, how double back just spreads out crazy like that. And together forever. Oh, please don't tell me you're gonna go inside out. Inside out is a term I have for inside candles, because like once it hits inside and everything just goes, it's not indicative of happening all the time. You see inside candles all the time. It just depends on where everything's at. If anything, it's just buyers saying, all right, let's try to retest this level, and sellers say, yeah, boy, you thought. Until buyers really step in at this level, if they're really here. I don't know, you got a 30-point jump and it wasn't even fucking earnings. AI chip demand, data center spending. Well, I guess so, data center spending. Christ, you're just charging the fucking citizens for all the power you're eating up. Together forever. Oh, stop being a cunt, mate. You got call flow coming in the next week. Let's go. Come on, while we're still young. And I want you for the rest of my life. And together forever and ever and all. Together forever with you. Be together forever with you. I'm sorry, everybody. I'm just feeling good, in a good mood. You usually tend to be in a good mood like once you hit a 300% swing trade, and you're still up for the week. So, you know, you tell me what, you can say whatever the hell you want to me. QQQ is dropping after this massive bump. Hello?
Am I speaking with P5?
Not interested. It's always some guy with that type of accent fucking trying to call me like, hey, do you want the job? Like, no, I don't want the job that bad. Not for the mule. Cocksucker. And it's wild, like, since I put Trishula software on my resume, because if you all know what a Trishula is, it's pretty much the trident of a Hindu god, Shiva. And ever since that, all these, I get so many phone calls for jobs from Indians now. Like, you have no idea. Microsoft looks like it's just taking a fucking shit right here, and I don't fucking like it. It's got undeniably crazy call flow coming in, and yet it wants to act like a cunt. I've been making that fucking mistake all week. Breaks out, consolidation box breakout, or a rally base rally, and then it sells, and then it wants to sell off after that. I know what it's doing. It wants to try to retest this 418 right here, or go inside and reattack. Try to form another order block that can sandwich itself between these two zones, between this strong little 1 minute zone here and the 1 minute combined with the 30 up here. It's got to break it. Pardon me. Other than that, like, I'm like, if it keeps going down in about another minute, I'm gonna cut it. I'm not fucking up any of these big profits from today. That together forever and forever and all. Let me step away from the terminal just really fast. I gotta use the bathroom. I'll be right back. Please, God, don't do nothing dumb with Microsoft. Cheeky. All right, 41819 is the last bastion for the 0-day call on Microsoft. It basically wiped out our Micron win. Our Micron win basically is hedging this. Come on, girl. All this crazy call flow coming in. On a 10, that's never good. You get you get a candle set that looks like this, yeah, you're going down. Bull flag, bear down. Pardon me. What are you doing, you sneaky bastard? You're doing something, I know you are. And together forever and forever and all. Why are they going into NVIDIA calls? NVIDIA's been dropping for most of the morning. And well, yeah. But it's not going to go. It's not going to go. My friends are so stuck that that it's going to pop. But I don't see it. I may see it. Like, this looks like a deep pennant right here. I mean, it retested this 203 up to 203.90 level. It has to retest that level. What are you on the 10? Oh, God, that's a divergence. Remember what I was talking about divergences, people? There we go. Come on, girl. Maybe I should try it. More AMD pumping in. Crack that fucking level and maybe I'll consider it. Christ, May 15 calls for AMD. Just that current strike is $2,700 for one contract. Oh, God, that ain't good. Yep, you're rejecting off of the first break of structure it made on the 1. This is almost too risky. What are you on a 10? Alright, I'm gonna try AMD, bitch. I'm going to try AMD 350 calls at 220. I'm going to see if I get it at 224. Christ. Oh, we may have to shotgun it. Oh, good Lord. I'll rest 360s at 68. 0 days. I don't want to dick around too much. Microsoft has to shit or get off the pot right now. That AMD lot is already down 5%. I don't know if you want to come back down to the pre-market low, but I don't think that would be a good idea, Slim. Nvidia looks like it's turning. Microsoft looks like it could be starting to turn here. AMD just waiting for you, baby. We got about another 36 minutes, 36 seconds up to the end of this. What's your hour lookingly? Your hour lookingly. Your hour looking like. Oh, I just want you to just get back up to that 345.51. I know that's pretty much a big jump for you there, buddy. But all right, we're back to break even on the video. See if we could play at the 347.65. I think it's going to double top and then everything's going to start going down. I don't know. For AMD, it looks like it may scream just a little bit more. Up 5% on AMD at the moment. Microsoft we're still down on. I want to check Oracle real fast. I'm seeing shit fly in for that one. Only problem is I've been slamming Oracle puts all week. That would be the perfect chance for a call to happen and instantly cut my head clean off. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Pop. Why settle for an all-time high of 347.96? Come on. Take 350. It's right there. It's yours. It's yours. Come on, AMD. You know you want it. Sorry. 16%. Come on, girl. Come on. 28%. 32%. Right now I'm up to 0.9. I'm gonna, if it drops back down to 8.84, then I'm gonna call it. .85, 0.9. It just retook its all-time high. Point. All right, let's get out. All right, good. Had a nice 0-day crack on AMD. It was AMD 360 calls at $67. Today's expiration got at 84. All right, we're 3-0 right now. Waiting on this motherfucker right here. I just trudging along. Looks like a small bear flag here on Microsoft. I don't know if it's doing that just to retest this order block. This thing's down 67% already, so this wiped out our Micron win. It does make sense, but like you can't just rely on one piece of information. You can have call flow coming in all day until your eyeballs fall out of your head, and it's not going to mean a damn thing. Market's going to do whatever the fuck the market wants. And you can't be getting mad over an $84 fucking option that goes down 67% on a 0 day. Like, you know what you were fucking doing. Why are you over here? Get back up here. Now it looks like could be a little mini bull flag here. They're going to want to retest. They're going to want to pop it. We're going to try AMD 0 days, highly risky. At 365, we're sitting at 385, 398 right now. We're setting a limit at 385 just in case. Come on, punch, bitch. Nope, come on. Oh boy, this is going to be a fucking tight. Just give me one fucking yoink. Just give it to me. I am not playing this game right here. Come on. This is already risky enough. Do not do that. AMD, come on, baby. If it drops below 3, I'm getting right out of it. Oh my God. This is bad already. Yep. Should have kept my nose out of it. We're already down 30%. Just climb back up. Let's go. Come on. Don't do this to me on a Friday. I know this is my own fault. I should have done this. But punch. No, 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 no. Sitting at about 278 from 365, down 85, down 23%. This is a pretty critical play right here. I just need enough call flow to come back in to pop it to 350. That's all I want. Back up to 320. Back up to 315. Oh, come on. Come on. You don't need to do this. Get out. We're done. Done. Yep. Bad fucking play. Oh, Christ, and now we can't get the fuck out. Still green on the week. Shit. That pissed me off. Almost took out the entire QQQ win. God. Together forever and ever. Mm. I'm stepping away. I need to see what. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, now you're just teasing me. Oh, there it is. Could that be a sign for puts? Volume shit on AMD still. Volume shit on Microsoft right now. Don't tell me they're gonna putter this bitch around all fucking day. Oh, now you want to go back up, bitch. I'm just watching this very closely. Back out. I think I may retry this. I don't know. I need to see how this 3 ends. I'm not liking it because you got this thin little fucking zone here. And you're already at all-time highs, and it's already indicative that there's sellers here. Juice is worth the squeeze. And the fact I'm seeing a 7.7 million split trade just come in on AMD, it doesn't make things fucking better. Back out. Whoa. So we at least know where price is going. Fuck it, I'm trying puts. In a 365 0 days on AMD. Playing super risk again. Every fucking time. Just go fucking red. All you gotta do is just go to 343. That's all you gotta do. 343.58. Stop being stupid. Let's go. We're at break even. Up 3%. Because I'm not trying to get clipped again. Together forever. Come on. Up 4%. All right, I'm at 375 from 360. Take this up to the 5. Okay, up 16%. I'm getting out. Screw it. I'm not playing on 0 days. That may have been a $25 win in a 360 out of 385, but no, I'm not fucking playing with it. I don't trust this bullshit one fucking bit. Right now, the Microsoft 0 day got killed. We're sitting at about 1.89% for the day, 7% for the week. Not happy with the week turnout so far, but we got a long day still. Set that trend line there. Microsoft, you baby gorilla. All right, let me step away. Kind of been like a little bit of a wild morning so far with that with the big QQQ swing win, the Microsoft 0-day loss, and the AMD 0-day loss, and then we're trying to win that back. We're not revenge trading. We're just trying to snipe plays the best we can. Oracle looks like the entire world is about to crash. At least I hit my target level. Yep. All right, let's step away. Exactly what I fucking thought, but I don't think it's got the juice to handle it. Get out of here. I think Microsoft may be trying for a double bottom here, down at 335.86. I'm not digging it. Well, my friends were right. Just needed a little time. Wow. We'll get there. We will get there. Microsoft bouncing off this level. Consolidation looks like it could break out. May see something above 418.79. If I'm seeing what I'm seeing here properly. Alright, I'm gonna try Microsoft 425 calls for 427. I'm gonna see if I can get it at 1.42. Up 3%. See what the whale flow looks like. Now, like, it's gone. If you try to get in now, like, you're just chasing. Oh, I got 2 NVIDIAs up. Wait, what did it say? 230 billion. H200 sales. Oh boy. Coming up on the 10-minute on Microsoft. While that's going, I'm just looking for other shit right now. Legs fucked up. My legs fucked. Alright, let's start flipping. Hello?
Hi, can I speak to Clifford, please?
May I ask who's calling?
Hi, my name is Leanne. I am with Augmentation. I posted a position on Indeed and Zip, actually both. You applied on Zip to electrician wire person role, second shift. But I also wanted to talk to you about, what you're looking for in terms of hourly rate, because you have
People always be calling me for jobs. Together forever and forever and so I get you for the rest of my life. Together forever. It's fucking spectacular, eh? Damn, Soxel just kept screaming. AMD looks like it's about to mount its little comeback. maybe a mid maybe a pre-lunch rally, but I'll be right back. I gotta run to the bathroom. Oh. Yeah, Craig, I'll get copyrighted for that. I just wanted to hear Renegade. You can blame Lars Ulrich for all that. Oh, hello, my name is Lars. The crying drummer. What a whore. Did I just see what I thought I just saw? It's ranging out. You still got that son of a bitch to deal with right there. Yes, I know, Paul. Keep rubbing it in. Yes, I know. NVIDIA. Wow. Just fucking wow. Oh my god. Looks like it's playing with all-time high. Yep. All-time high sitting at 212. So NVIDIA and AMD are now flirting with all-time highs. This is wild. Bitch. Oh. Trying AMD 350s again, this time at 305. Oh wait, it didn't get in. Cancel. Did not fill. Well, I thought it fucking filled. And since call flow is still insane on NVIDIA, I'm going to pop in these April 20. I'm going to pop in these May 1st right here. I'll do 215s at 258. All right, let me keep AMD open on another monitor. Up 1% on AMD. We're up 4% on Microsoft at the moment. Now, we actually got a little time on these, so I'm just hawking both NVIDIA and AMD. I got NVIDIA on the live stream here, and I got AMD open on another. Up 4% on NVIDIA. AMD down 10. AMD just is appearing to just not like my ass today. Microsoft calls are now in the money at 10%. Down 15% on NVIDIA. Sorry, NVIDIA only down not even 1%. AMD down 13% right now. Up now 4% on NVIDIA. Microsoft up 11%. AMD down 18%. Come on, AMD. Don't make me be a bad guy. Don't make me be a bad guy. I got time on the AMDs too. Oh wait, no, they actually expire today. I bought zero date shit. I thought I bought them out. All right, so we're gonna need this to go. Nvidia up 2%. Microsoft now up almost 20% at 18.18.5. Nvidia is now up 4%. Microsoft 15. AMD looks like it's starting to bounce back, up down 13% still. Microsoft 15%, AMD just 2% right now. Sorry, that was Nvidia 2%. AMD is now only back down 6%. Recheck all the flow. AMD's flowing, Microsoft's flowing. I need Nvidia up. NVDA. Yeah, Nvidia's got a fuck ton of flow to it. AMD's breaking. Good. Up 8% on AMD, 10%. Setting that hard limit at 310. Now we're only back up 3%. I hope things don't change on this 15 here. Just like that. Microsoft up 18.5. Now Nvidia we're down. Now we're at back to break even. AMD only down 8% still. Right now our focus is on the AMD. We're back to break even. Back up to 4%. 330, 320, 325. 340, 345, setting the stop at 335. $360. $375. If it drops to if it drops to 360, I'm getting right out of it. See if that's temporary. Come on. $350 is the hard limit here. Come on, Jesus Christ. Up 16% on AMD, almost at 20. This is so stressful. Okay, we're getting out. 290. See if I can get out of 3.1. No. Oh, shit. Yep. Oh well, we won. That premium price dropped, went up a bit, but we at least don't have to worry about that AMD for the rest of the day. We got a little lick back, at least, from our loss. Back to Microsoft, our 425 calls, we're still going up, holding at about 14%. Nvidia just went. Looks like it's dipping back down. I hope this doesn't go sideways. %15 on Microsoft. Oh boy, that's a triple top. Now we're down 16% on the VP. Fucking bastard. $30 needs to hold. This 30 here needs to hold on oh wait. Why am I still looking at AMD on another charts? All right, Microsoft's up 25%. Nvidia, we're down 18%, 19% now. I'm gonna hold Microsoft till see if it can hit this 420.39 level. Seeing AXTI back. AXTI was huge for us last week. AMD's just got nothing but just walls and walls of call flow. So does Microsoft. 26% now here on Microsoft. NVIDIA call flow is still insane, and we have this until Monday. A lot of these bullish NVIDIA calls I'm seeing are for the 24th, which is Monday. Another 1.9 million literally just came in just now for NVIDIA. We're up on Microsoft 22% right now. We're going to close it out. We're going to see if we can get 1.6, 1.70, 170 for it. Filled. All right. Not a bad day. Just up to just over 2.5% for the day, 2.5% for the week. The only thing still on the table right now is NVIDIA 215 calls for 5/1 expiration. And the 258's in at 209 right now, down 18.6%. With all the call flow coming in, this is going to be probably one of these ones that we're just going to have to sit there and deal with. Down 20% here on NVIDIA.
can't hear your notifications from Discord, but you are probably getting notifications from other apps.
Sorry, I had to go on mute for a minute.
And you also see it, but
Kind of fighting like a little tech problem like over here. Give me 1 minute. All right, we're back to break even on NVIDIA. Happy day. Yes, yes, good, good. Push, push in the bush. Why won't people talk to me? All right, we're up 7% on NVIDIA now. Seen a lot of action on Intel for 1120s. Shit, not after that. Fuck you. NVIDIA kind of made a V here on the 1 minute. See if they can pop back through 209. 209.90 here. Just tap 210 and be done with it. There we go. Up 8.5%. I don't want this one to fall short of that volume. This volume line here. And another $1.4 million call sweep came in. People are buying NVIDIA calls super aggressively. This is wild. Microsoft, they're still buying. I don't want to look at AMD for the rest of the day. Hey, 420. There we go, 420. Oh, Christ, I can't do 420.69. It just wants to. It won't give me 420.69. 8, 9. Hey now, 420.69. Yeah. Fuck you, I'm cutting this bullshit. I'm not dealing with... oh. Now you wanna... Now back down 4%. Shit. Let's get out while we are ahead. What were we in at? 258. Oh, Jesus. Now we're back to break even. NVIDIA's got a lot of time still, so we're only back down less than 1% here. The fact that it came back is great, but that V recovery is probably enough for it to be a double top. Some people will call this a liquidity sweep right here when you got wick action between these 2 points. It looks like they just wanted to buy up enough to get the sell pool going. and it's not indicative that it's going to go down from here. I mean, like, yeah, it'll go down, probably retest this and probably shoot back up. Still got a lot of hour left and a lot of volume in. The volume pretty much surpassed the 9 a.m., 10 a.m. candle over here. Huge, big old green monster. Looks like it's trying to like putter around at the moment. Oh. Oh, Microsoft's just ripping. Yeah, true entry should have been right here at 419. I mean, yeah, that's only $1, but that's still pretty fucking nice. Another $1 million Nvidia split rolling in. Seeing Intel start to roll in, but Intel's kind of having a little bit of a moment here. It's how it's sharply just fighting back against it, but you're not really getting any volume behind it. SPY looks like it's trying to entertain all-time high again, but still has to break through this zone right here, 711.92, upward to 712.24. Why can't we have all the fun? Wait, go live. Oh, what a cunt. We're still hawking Nvidia right now, back down 7%.
Stop if you've ever.
another million in for NVIDIA. Jesus. Shit tons of spies flowing in. I think they want to. Yep, they just broke all-time high. Sitting here staring at NVIDIA like half a Momo. Bunch of put flow came in for SPY just now after reaching this all-time high, but they're still buying NVIDIA like hotcakes. Right now I'm just looking at AMD still. because there's a lot of insane levels of flow coming in, and Nvidia's getting stormed. Right now, there's about 90 million in calls in Nvidia right now, opposed to 17 million. That is out of this universe. Almost another million sweep. Literally 2 million in sweeps just filtered in for Nvidia call sweeps. They are getting fucking aggressive with this. All right, I'm trying AMD 360 Lottos at 59 zero date. At the rate this is punching up, it's worth an opportunity. Nvidia is almost back to 5%, minus 5%. Nvidia back down to sub minus 1%. This would be great if this could push heavy into the lunch hour. What's wild is the 30 on this RSI is still crossing bullish. So hopefully this little lotto play would be the smartest play I made all day, and we're finally back to still flirting with the sub 1% down on Nvidia. Another 1.5 million in on AMD. Amazon's got a $30 million block. Where the fuck are you? Switch to AMD here. All right, I'm running Amazon 295 515 calls at 239. Nvidia down 8%. AMD down 20% for the lotto. And the Amazon 295 call for 515 we just got in. Looks like this is cup and handle right here. See, we have a cup, and then here's the handle. And another NVIDIA. And another NVIDIA 1.5 million. This is the most insane shit I've ever seen. Last time I saw some shit like this was Tesla after Trump got reelected. All right, we're coming in the lunch hour now, so all right, I'll be right back. Amazon's up 2% already. yes. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Down 5% on NVIDIA, up 2% on Amazon. AMDs were up now 20%. Still inhuman level flow coming in on NVIDIA. Sitting at about 30% here on AMD. Throw NVIDIA on this other one. Ah, damn. Back down 3% already. Son of a bitch. Every goddamn time. Oh, wait, that's... Yeah, I had the wrong chart. I'm sorry, guys. But the fact that they're generating massive order blocks, like on a 3 minute, a 65% order block is huge. These numbers will always be retested. Everything will always retest when they're that high. They're not going to retest instantly, but they are going to retest at some point. Oh, God, NVIDIA. Oh. I don't know why I'm so worried about NVIDIA. I have it for another week. I guess I just want to get in and out. Amazon, I don't care about for the remainder of the day unless it just catastrophically collapses down into 258. Shit, I could have closed everything out and been done. But no. Sorry.
Guys, it's Ozzy back from another video. It's not a commentary one, I just wanted to give some context to the video you're about to watch. This video is all over the place. They go from e-begging to crying to arguing to crashing out to e-begging again. It is all over the place. So if you get whiplash and you're like, what the hell's going on? That's kind of why. It's all over the place. They recently have gone to doing 4-hour streams instead of the 2-hour streams, and it's just unwatchable garbage. I always say this whenever I do commentary, it's gotten worse, but it has. It's actually just purely unwatchable. Purely unwatchable. But, yeah, you got Keemstar arguing with Nightmare, Boogie begging, crying about his taxes. This video has everything.
You're gonna get drunk. You're getting wild all the time, this for you. If you're getting drunk then. Yeah, for 20s. Take a sip for fun. I'm good, bro. I happen to have Desi's tobacco bin here. I'll turn my camera off, but for dodos, I'll just leave complaining again. You have to go in out. For every single line in that show. I know we can get grab fun. Ooh, something with 1,000 jewels. I don't know what that means. Thank you, though. Yo, hype is up. That's the new hype system from YouTube. That's the brand new hype system from YouTube. That's right. If you drop diamonds, you'll be getting us hype, which will help boost us in the algorithm. Now, not only can you like the stream, which always helps, please like the stream, but now you can give us your sparkly little diamonds. Okay, thank you for the jewels. No, he's making changes before he goes away. Try the new TTS. It's long and I don't know how to edit it right now. Oh, come on. It was a terrible show. Who's on vlog? Batgirl and Snowgoth, I think his name is. Oh, yeah. Snowgoth probably has a place somewhere. I don't think it was with Batgirl. No, why has Batgirl got 2 shows? They are a very vindictive company. I shoplifted from them a lot, right? What? That's how I paid my bills when I was homeless. I shoplifted from Walmart and I stole video games and then I sold them at Game Exchange for cash. Jesus Christ. That has got to be all of that. I also want $5. I also want sometimes it would cover rent, and like if I stole enough, 20 games, 30 games in a week. There is no way. Sell them on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook didn't exist yet. There is no way you were going to Walmart. There is no way you were going to Walmart. My due taxes is $42,000 just from this year, not to mention past years. The Uber was $16 after tip there and $16 back. So I can't pay $42,000.
I'm gonna take a look at AXTI real fast since we're not in Microsoft. I just want to see something. AX.
I decided that I don't regret it because I made a lifetime memory. And you know what? If the IRS takes my house, it was worth the memory. Am I right, King? Boogie, mate, listen. Let me give you some advice. Yes, sir. Yeah. I need you to invest in a bow and arrow, and then go into the Sherman Forest. Yes, okay. So when the tax man comes, steal from the rich, give to the poor. Oh, so give them to like a lot of our viewers that are donating on welfare checks, because like most of our viewers donate their welfare checks. What? I could give the money to them, and then they would be giving the money to us. That was hilarious. Mm-hmm. Dude. Oh my god. I have to show you something, King. Joe's annoying. I can't comment in chats anymore. You know why? Because at the bottom it says create an account. Kim, how is he gonna cash cow? I can't. So you generally, if you get in my household, you have to put it as intern or something like that, because otherwise I will get kicked out. I do not have a YouTube account anymore. Oh. Look at him laughing. You're such a dick, dude. I swear to God. Well, you didn't have to delete the channel, but you decided to call me F slurs and like really push me to No. You forgave me after that. It was because of the other thing I typed in, which was very reasonable in my opinion, but I understand why you were upset by it. Yo, Mike, because the aspect you gonna be, but I feel like fucking dancing. Can somebody just trigger one of the long ones? I don't know if it's 100, a crown, fucking 50 bomb, just something. But here's the thing, Nightmare. This is what happens with you when you're in an argument with someone. The other person is desperately trying to explain their point of view. You interrupt them and you just loop over and over again, and you don't hear a word they say. And then it causes your problems to get worse because there's no resolution. I was in the wrong. All the time. Well, I'm getting better, but that was a one situation. Well, I assumed you were comparing me to the Voldemort, and that's what pissed me off.
You have a crown asking about one of your dono goals, the pink dono pick a host snack. What does that mean exactly?
So for a pink dono, because me and Boogie are both fucking wasted on the tobacco, for a 50, you can pick which host gets a snack. Boogie thinks he's gonna get a snack. I thought the idea was funny for Desi to go buy all of these things, and then for nobody to give him one, and then for y'all to feed me snacks that I can eat in front of Boogie while he cries. That's what I thought. But that's the explanation.
Okay, thank you, because there was a crown that was asking, so, alright, there we go.
Tell that crowd I said I'm fucking hungry, baby.
I will.
Alright, I want a Twinkie. They sent Twinkies yesterday. I only got one. I want the rest.
Yeah, no, we don't need to see your Twinkie boyfriend Chad on screen.
Josh, you had the problem with me. Yeah, you had the problem with me. So don't sit here.
Right now that I'm willing to set up a fucking
Oh,
bet.
Jesus Christ. Alright,
And I
no
will
one's
set a
watching.
bet for real money, motherfucker. How much money you owe on your taxes? 42,000.
Looks like everything's kind of looks like there was another breakout. They're trying to looks like another consolidation. Let's see what happens here.
Yes. No, you don't. No, you fucking don't. There's no way you want to make that bet. You are betting that Jordy, without getting paid anything, with literally no incentive, is going to get in a vehicle and drive like 10 hours?
It's gonna be way more than 10 hours.
The incentive is that he might get to drive it this morning. That's a pretty strong incentive for that. $42,000? I'll be garnishing your wages for like the next 3 years. 42,000.
Redirect go after.
Well, alright, we'll extend another 30 minutes for a red dono.
Okay.
Appreciate you, Tech Protect. Happy 420.
Happy 420, brother. Also, keeping the assistant king is not what I have in the vegan card this year. But I'm fucking happy.
Hey, quick question. Do you prefer to follow a routine every day and just unsure how to talk to them or treat them sometimes?
No.
Yeah.
I know, guys, I'm saying that we have,
We're after taking a shit.
chat, I'm saying that we have 5 minutes to get a red dono to extend the show for an additional 30 minutes. Yes, a red dono is 30 minutes. Well, they didn't understand, I hear.
3 minutes to get your extension in, or otherwise I'm gonna click call out 76. Next question. Okay, next question. Are there certain sounds and textures and lights that really bother you?
Happy 420 from Canada.
Okay, thank you, Alex. So as of right now, the show is ending at 8:30, unless we get another red dono for another 30 minutes.
James, this is one of your biggest problems.
Happy 420.
Amazon's popping again.
Is it 420? I don't even know.
Yeah, it's 420.
Oh, wow, okay.
Why's no one voting to kick me? Come on, Lolcat Live, I'm so bad. Just vote to kick me.
Yeah, 50 to kick his ass so we can go back to vibing, please.
Okay, Boogie said it. Pink dono, Iceman's gone. Iceman. Iceman. I know what you're
Big, but you come up here and cuss me out because what?
Because of your fucking ego and you want to tell everybody that I'm trash, but you were on a show not that long ago that screamed at 40 people.
Oh, the locals are so funny.
Yeah. World, look at Glammy shaking like a crap game. Glammy, for starters, get that shit off your lip. Alright, Shifty, we appreciate you coming on.
Nvidia down 4.2%. Amazon's up 3%. AMD, we're still down 27%. Sitting at 0.4 from 0.59.
Oh, shit.
More gifted are coming in. Holy shit.
At Pete underscore to underscore, no for 20 super chat at $9.99. Glammy. If you really value us and the LCU, you need to attend right now on camera.
Don't, Glammy, what'd I tell you? Don't fucking start crying. Turn that emotion into a real emotion. Crying isn't saving no jobs. A strong Glammy will save your fucking job. Don't cry. Don't fucking cry. Remember where the fuck you are. Do not cry. You know better than that.
Yeah, you know better. No crying in the casino, baby. Alright, Nvidia's finally cranking again, up 2%.
We gotta get these memberships to fucking keep you here, alright? You gotta tell chat why you have to stay here in the LCU. Fuck what they believe. Tell them why you need to stay here in the LCU and be on.
Let's get it to break back up above. Come on, girl. Let's go.
I don't know how to. I appreciate you guys all helping. I don't know how to beg you guys.
Stop begging and say why you deserve to be
I
here.
didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. You can go back in the thing. I took it. The VOD that where we played Repo is exactly what I modded him. And then the screenshots where it shows that I unmodded him. I'm completely innocent. I am tired of being framed up for shit I didn't do. I love the LCU with all my fucking heart, man. I'm not gonna sit here and do shit that is wrong. And I certainly don't talk to fucking Voldemort. As soon as somebody is even a
Look,
snitcher.
take it. 5 gifted. Holy shit.
AMD might have to get cut here. Nvidia is now up to 4%. Amazon still at 3%. Waiting on AMD to finally turn and burn.
Don't fucking cry. Listen,
Nvidia just a wall of calls.
remember all those fucking plungers you had to put on your hat and a pin and all the shit, all the other shit you went through? There's no other bitch that's down for the LCU like you. You are down here through all the abuse, no matter what.
And even when it called them, when they said for me to work with Shifty, I cared more about the show than I cared about wanting to be having somebody like that I didn't want to work with because I wanted to put a good show on. I love the LCU. Every single time I've gotten fired out of that and I've regathered myself and I've tried to rebuild. Every time I try to rebuild.
Oh, baby. Boom, 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 boom. Yes, you are.
And the Oscar goes to...
It's not a joke. It's not a joke. This thing means a lot to me. I hate this so fucking much, man. I did nothing wrong. I take the I so Evan without this. I'm not taking responsibility. I'm not. I did everything I could. I'm to the street. Please, I don't wanna see this. I don't think this I would much better. It's just a breath. I can't.
Travel alert said 10. We're 5 away.
I didn't do anything wrong. I don't know how to I really are not to talk to anyone. You can even go back on the file.
Could Nvidia be forming a pennant here?
Alright, are we... Alright, Glammy, chill out. You're good. Alright? Alright, are we...
Thank you.
Glammy,
What?
it's okay. Calm didn't know this, but about 30 minutes ago, I went live on stage on the Discord
Yeah.
about all the people that have been unloyal to the LCU and how this place is special and we need to keep together.
All right, 6% on the video.
Everybody in my live on air stage,
2%.
which was about 200 people, informed me
Waiting on AMD, man. What the hell?
by doing that live on stage speech.
What? No.
They said that I took the viewers away from cash by going live in the Discord. So
Right to do that? I don't know.
I felt guilty, and so we just did this elaborate troll on you just so you guys could have a good report card. Ho ho ho!
Green Giant. You damn right.
Sorry, Clammy.
Hey, Clammy, sometimes you gotta pay to play, you know?
Oh my God, she hates me. Okay, I'm gonna donate $100. I feel bad. I know, you're right. No, you're right.
The goddamn door was broke. What are you talking about? I can't.
Bro, see, like, your mama's just gotta dial it back some, right? You know, if anyone thinks, you know, that Kalo really sneaks and hid in the closet, well, you're just dumb, right? You're just dumb. And everyone knows that. Go out and be like, bro, they set that shit up. You don't have to, right? When we did that thing, everybody knows. Boogie probably knew about it, right? We're not dumb, right? And everyone loved it. I'm having him go and picking up the letters, and then he gets that reaction. There's
Oh, Green Giant.
I shouldn't have to understand why we have to do this. Bro, that ain't real. That ain't real shit, right?
I'm waiting on the video to pop 210.
Show. They're trying to make it entertaining.
That's what I'm waiting on.
Was the surprise on Boogie? Obviously not. But what the surprise was on was the audience, and they enjoyed it. So we don't have to do all this. This is where Yo Mama goes too far and has to dial it back. Because during this, later this night, Yo Mama was on a stream and he was like, bro, who believes that? Doesn't it, dog? We don't want that victim. Bro, you're just talking shit to the audience. They enjoy it. They enjoy it more than Pitt. That's why it outperforms Pitt. It is what it is. Now, again, these shows have been there longer. They've been in those time slots longer. And Yo Mama's on the way up. But you don't have to attack the audience that enjoys the show. That's just too far. And I did talk to Yo Mama privately, and he agreed with me on that. You know, but this is just one of those things that you don't have to do because you're only attacking. You know, this ain't a bit, y'all. This ain't a bit. This ain't a storyline. This ain't content, y'all. She is really trying to convince this LCU that Tina went IRL on her. That the Glass fans went IRL on her. This ain't no bit. That's crazy work. These are serious allegations that could cause someone in the LCU to be fucking fired. I mean, you're too new to try to pull some shit like this. But when you go and you do this professional victim shit, and you go above and beyond, bro, you went IRL on me. You sent people to my house, Tina. My kids are here. You're attacking my kids, Tina. Bro.
Autistic drama queen asshats.
I'm tired of this shit. I've been through a hell of much happening today. I have to move my car to go to the doctor's office. They said I have something in my asshole. I ain't got time for this shit, you son of a bitch. You get into that desk and you fucking do it properly. Because Locale gains the 5-star standard. And anything I'm a part of better be that. And that level of energy. Oh, let's get the fuck out of here. We have to do it, man. Come on, bro. Don't give up. I know you're going through a hard time. I know you've been losing that family like that. I get it, bro. But you have to go for it now. Iceman is at a fucking 40%. You never seen it like this before, bro. I can talk for 2 hours.
Slick Nick for Valor says 5-5
Oh, take it easy, kid. Jesus. All right, Nvidia up 7%. Amazon, we're back down sub 1%. AMD, we're kind of crawling around that negative 20%. Let me take this out to the, where we at, the 10. Where you at on the 30? Okay. All right, well, so first 2 minutes into the 30, it looks like it's already trying to recrack that 353. I would just love to see 354 within the next half hour. I know it's asking for a lot, but there we go. Keep going. Now we're only down 11%. Nvidia keeps surging. %, now 12% now on Nvidia. %. Now a huge flow of meta calls are rolling in. Back-to-back 1.4 million, a sweep and a split. Basically, if someone's doing a call sweep, they're being highly aggressive. So think of 1.4 million kind of like being broken out, however, along so many brokers and traders that a trader has access to, and trying to fill these orders as fast as possible. Block just means it's just going in. Splits, well, I mean, like, I don't see too many splits often. Wait a minute, let me see here. Okay, yeah. Splits are more like it's going to a single exchange. Oh, AMD, you cunt. Nvidia's finally breaking this pennant. Looks like its next target could be, what is this up here? 211. That would be on the 15. That slow line on the RSI is still curving upward, man. Nvidia is becoming mad aggressive. I don't know whether they're just mad that AMD just finally overtook them and Jensen said, you know what, fuck these motherfuckers, let's go. I won't be beat by Lisa. Whoa! Alright, 15% on Nvidia now. 17%. Ah, 17% on the video here. Come on. And on top of all that, another 2.1 million sweep flew in on NVIDIA. So yeah, going back to split orders, like it's the same thing as a sweep, but instead of separate brokers, it's through one. So that 2.1 million may be broken up in a bunch of different little trades all at once, because probably through whatever limitations you can only fill so many. We're almost 20% on the video right now, but you may have a certain type of limit of so many you can buy at one time. So like what they'll do, they'll just break it up in like say like a couple 100,000 blocks or whatever per whatever limit, 22% on the video, and then everything just executes. But it all execute under the same account. 25% on the video. We may be looking to get out here, and if it drops below 320 on the value. So 315 is the absolute hard fucking limit here. All right, we're out on that one. Filled. Great trade on the video. Just be patient. Let it grind out. Up 5.5% for today, 10% for the week. Not really worried about Amazon. Like, we know it's there. AMD is just the target now. But great trade here. Got in here at the break of structure, and boom. And when you take them like that far out, like that was about 3 weeks out, and it only dropped to like 20% here and came back up at about 25%. Yeah, you'll be spending more money, but you know, if you had taken next week's options, like hell, like that probably would have been down 40%, and once you got back up here, you would probably be -5 or maybe barely in the green. Come on, AMD. Coming back down here on this pennant trend. You got this little uptick here. Kind of like it's going down, then it kind of levels off. So, and also this cloud starting to come in. Once the bottom end of this cloud and this intersect, then like you have a possibility for your reversal here. And it keeps wanting to dip down. Let's get rid of these current trend lines. Let's draw some new ones. I'll draw one from here up to there. One, two, three, four. That would be the 5 crack. So generally how I'm looking at this right now, if you ever get familiar with Elliott waves, 5 points, this would be 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. This would be considered enough for 0.5. Now it's just probably definitely going to retest 351. All this is upticking. The slow lines are upticking. Like some points, like when you don't pay attention to the fast line, like you pay attention like to that slow line. Especially if you're sitting in a longer position trade, and you just observe the uptick. There we go. I mean, yeah, granted, it's down 50% right now, but we're playing this as a lotto. With the way AMD has moved, I'm at least seeing something. The only other active we got is the Amazon 295 calls. We're only down 4% on that. And 12:39, about 2 minutes ago, another $2.3 million split order came in for it at 275. But that one's for 618, so they're probably looking for like a quick weekend turnaround. Again, we're sitting at 515, so we're about like 5 weeks ahead of them, 4 or 5 weeks. So even if over the weekend, back to Amazon real fast, even if it comes down like to retest this 256, I'll still be well shielded enough. But on the weekly, if that holds for like the rest of the day, your next target is 290. If we look at this on the broader scope, yep, we're actually in all-time high right now. And also, the beginning of a bullish mark trend has started on Project Starfall here. So yeah, this may look like it may go a little ballistic. We'll drop you back down to the 15. We're not really worried about you right now. It's touching that block right now, but it wants to bust through it. They're already earmarking 720 for SPY. See what news I can pull real fast. Another 1.8 million on the video. They are just buying and buying and buying NVIDIA. 26.1 million to 9.2 million call to put flow. Actual number of options is just about the same, 19K to 18.7. Same with AMD, got 45 million to 8 million call to put flow, but there's more calls here, 25 million as opposed to 13. So now I'm kind of glad I got out of NVIDIA. You know, I think from here on out, I'll exercise the same type of strict risk tolerance I've been employing, especially now that I'm on stream. We went 7-0 on our first day on Monday, and we kind of been like all over the place since the rest of the week. But again, this is our first week actually streaming with you guys, and y'all just joining us for the ride. You're weird. Oh, we. Slide back over here on AMD. I wonder if it's trying to pull a divergence move here. Yep, it's just hovering around 350. It's like it popped to 353, and it's like this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the 4th or 5th time today that there'll be like a multi-candle series just floating around this 350 level. This is critical right here for it. And I do want to see this one big swing turnaround for the end of the day to make my weekend. Although I'm not really all that worried about it. Despite like the close to 300% QQQ swing, losing it all on an AMD call and then getting it all back. I mean, I think we did fairly well today so far. Now I think had I stayed in AMD on that zero day call, yeah, I think it would have been great. But I probably would have just barely skated out of it. Yeah, 10 minutes indicative that it's been fucking around now. Now it probably wants to go search for more buyers. Oh well, I'll let it zero out. I'll treat it like a runner. But you just still want to keep bouncing. Just fucking get off the pot and shit and rip, cocksucker. Seeing some sort of divergence down here. Almost like this part here is following this from earlier, and it kind of gave it that run. Let's see. Yeah, I knew it. I think they were trying to get a divergence going because there's one down here on double back. No, that wouldn't be a... Oh, yeah. Yep, it's over for that one. It was about time that this block finally got tested, too. Yeah, Bulls do want to push this higher, but I don't think they're going to push it to 715. Oh, yeah. They're looking for more buyers. Either that or they just decide, all right, yeah, like we've had enough. We're going to sell it off. Keeps dropping. Next big level would be 346. 346.60 here. Let it just run. After that, maybe it might try 345. I don't know. It's probably doing its shit again here. Oh, they readopted firing squads in the United States. Definitely probably a lot cheaper than a lethal injection. That's actually, like, how much would a lethal injection, how much does a lethal injection cost taxpayers? High acquisition costs. States often pay massive markups compounding pharmacies to obtain drugs, with some states spending roughly $95,000 per execution on drugs between 2017 and 2020. God damn. $100,000 to take a motherfucker out, and a 9mm bullet only costs like a couple cents? Oh, Jesus Christ. Fuck the government, man. God damn. It takes 100 G's to execute one person? Wait a minute. Death penalty case often costs taxpayers roughly 3 times more than a sentencing a convicted murderer to life in prison. Oh my God. No wonder we pay so many. Well, I mean, I don't think we have death penalty here in Maryland. Do we? I think I can't remember. Oh, they abolished it. Oh yeah, O'Malley. Worst fucking Democratic governor I've ever seen. He taxed the rain. If anyone listening from Maryland ever hears this, the rain tax. I mean, like, people who know me know I have a huge aversion to conservative Americans, and here's a reason why. You have all these gun forms in the state of Maryland. You know, half of these guys are government employees, and they're just waiting to retire so they can do their own goddamn thing. And yet they still work and live in Maryland, and all they do is sit around and cry about what these sane Democratic politicians do. Meanwhile, these are the same guys that brag about how tough they were, because I have been around them all my life. They'll brag about all the girls they've had, you know, everything that their parents handed them and everything they had and could have had, and it's sickening. And yet these are the same guys that talk about how people are soft, but yet, you know, like they'll sit there and say, oh yeah, I'll fight in the Civil War. You're not going to fight in no fucking Civil War. You're going to be running for the fucking hills. I already know, like, if things ever got that bad to where, like, a actual Civil War broke out, most of these guys wouldn't even be doing anything. They would be cowering and crying about it on social media, da-da-da-da-da. The only problem is a lot of these guys were so worried about having fun. Oh, we're just worried about having fun. We just want to have fun with people. I'd like to have fun. I don't get to have anything. Everything in life must be fun. A lot of you were born to be able to have as much fun as you fucking wanted. Oh, man. People, just people. People don't make things fun. Americans have a propensity to make life worse for everybody. For themselves, for the people around them. That's why I just really don't trust people. And don't get me started on liberals. Christ, like, they want to take more money from your paycheck and make you feel bad. Because, you know, they'll sit there and talk to you about how you're greedy and, you know, like, well, like, why do you feel like you need these things? Like, for one, I don't need to explain anything to anybody, especially no fucking liberal. You have to feel bad for other people. Nah, been there, done that. You're 30, 35 years old and you don't drive, I don't want nothing to do with you. If you're sitting there saying that 60, 70% of my paycheck should be taken just so people who don't have can have, no, fuck that. I had a lot less than a lot of these people out here. And I'm not playing that game with people no more. Not going to sit here and make me feel bad because, ooh, you gotta feel bad. No, sorry. AMD's just curling around down here. Bitch. 02. Well, everything's just kind of puttering around. We're coming out of the lunch hour. Maybe things will pick back up. I know I was talking to y'all about AXT earlier. I hit AXT over the fucking head last week. And now some more multi-million-dollar call orders are coming in for it. AMD still wants to sit confidently between this 347 to 350 zone. I think this is going to crack because now I'm just seeing puts come in. These are all driving me fucking insane. Good, we don't have to worry about that for a minute until we start throwing alerts back on. Don't fool yourself here. This doesn't mean anything. You still got seller's pressure coming. Everything is just oddly curling. I don't foresee like a mega huge pop to get this one back into the green. And about 2 o'clock, I'm gonna cut this thing short. Oh. Please, baby. Sure, stay aggressive. Any new flow in the video? Why do you have to say that? Because now all I think about is this joke about Jersey girls I always made. Jersey girls ain't trash. Trash gets picked up. Ryan, I'm so sorry. I'm probably going to get in trouble just for posting this, but God, this is funny. I love Jersey, but I'm banned from Monmouth County. Oh God, I forgot. My other friend's from Jersey. Oh, he's gonna be flared like a pack of fucking hemorrhoids. In case y'all want to know what I posted in my friends group, it's this. This. Jersey girls ain't trash. Trash gets picked up. I really hate the suspense, but it's so suspenseful. Like, it's so boring, but I can't stop watching it. Like, oh, what are you going to do? I could care less about the option. I just want to know what you're going to do. Show me. Looks like it's cup and handling. Kind of dragging itself out on the 3 down here on double backs. Probably going to do a bunch of dicking around right here. Then probably try to do like a 230 curl. Looks like it's probably dumping back down. Usually something like this probably means that sellers are starting to come in and they're going to start busting it. Yeah, it probably definitely wants to go down to 346.70, 77 here. Down 7% on Amazon right now. There's just really looks like not a whole lot coming in right now. Nvidia's calls are slowly coming back in. AMD calls are slowly coming back in. SPY's flagging out. Well, if you want to call that a flag, usually if flags are that deep, depends on where he's calling the flag. He could be calling it from here to here, but that's not a flag. That's almost like a, what's the opposite of broadening? Narrowing. Amazon looks like it's popping back up again. Get rid of that weekly. We'll throw you on the 2. What are you on the 4? All right. Take you down to the 1s. I gotta redo this filter. 1 million. I only want the $1 million plays. Oh, another 2.3 million in on Amazon. I think this Amazon swing's gonna work out big for us. It's just gonna take a little time. I'm just puttering around, like I'm just seeing like whether this big block's gonna break. Because if this big block like breaks, then I'm done for the day. Come on, break below it so I can be done for the fucking day. Oh, all the suspense. It's right there, too. And it broke. Okay, that's it for me today. It's been fun. Fun first week streaming. I don't know if we're going to continue streaming. Because there's a lot of work on my end coming in. But it's been fun hanging out for the week. Show you all how I throw down trading. It was kind of a bad week for me. I'm not blaming the stream. I'm more blaming myself. I think because I streamed, I was kind of like put a little more pressure on myself to get some big trades in. We had some pretty good wins, but we also had some real shaky losses that we've been fighting against all week. Overall, up 4% for the day and up 10% for the week. Monthly, I'm up 53% for the month, and for the last 3 months, I'm up still another 56%. So, it was kind of, so really super strong start to the week, and then, like, it just got a little shaky from there. A lot of swing plays ended up working out for us, but I also did a lot of short-term plays. I'm trying to grab a few extra bucks here and there, end up over trading and got myself in trouble. You know, but, you know, fought back, keep the party going, and then regroup, start mapping shit out, start getting some videos made for you guys. Hopefully y'all can learn the joys of trading. And then, you know, I still got all my AI inference work. I got interviews coming up. So it's been fun. Kind of fun, interesting first week being on stream again. You know, way back in the day, I had a little YouTube show, and everyone said, "Oh, when are you going to bring it back?" Never. That shit was from an old life, but yeah. So I'll talk to you guys later. See you guys next week. If I decide to get on. If I can get on, I know I have a few interviews Monday morning and a few phone calls and a few things I got to take care of, but I'll try to be on stream. I'll be on stream probably showing you all some how this can work on crypto. Before I cut it off, I'll actually show y'all Bitcoin. That Bitcoin looks like it's ranging between 78.4 and 77.2. Long term, see what y'all on the 4 hour. Yep. Kind of like looks like it tried to break out from 78 and kind of sold off, and now it's kind of like just consolidating right here. I don't foresee this going into a box breakout unless if you get another maybe bullish divergence down here on double back. The last one kind of on the 4 hour sent this from 73.79104 all the way up to 79.207. So, all right, everybody. Well, I'm going to cut it short for today. Thank y'all. I love you guys. For those who listened and who paid attention and who were out here with us, love you guys, and I'll see y'all next week. See y'all definitely this weekend, probably in the aftermarket show, so we can go over what happened throughout the aftermarket session and what we'll be looking for.